morning everyone. So today we are going to learn from ninth class the exercise 2.5. In this lesson, so we learn every problem with using only correct equations. In that exercise 2.5, the first question given, find the product of followings using correct equations. In that first question given, x plus 5 into x plus 2. In that x plus 5 is multiplying with x plus 2. So now we'll solve this. So first we will multiple with x multiple with another x, or x multiple with the total x plus 2, and next 5 multiple with x plus 2. So first we will multiple with x into x plus 2 plus 5 into x plus 2. So now we will go forward. This is a distributing property. So x, so first x multiple with x plus x multiple with 2 plus next another distributing 5 into x plus 5 into 2. So now next will multiple now x into x square plus x into 2 2x plus 5 into x 5x plus 5 into 2 10. So now we'll go forward. X square plus 2x plus 5x is 7x plus 10. So it is the equation. So the product of two algebras x plus 5 into x plus 2 equal to what will write? X square plus 7x plus 10. It is a needed equation. Thank you.